So this is the Knu Skool leather in white.
I saw the ending before the...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to keep you updated. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the unboxing of my new Vans collection. So without any further ado, let's watch the video. See ya! It's January 2024, and of course this is my birthday month, and I have a membership here in Vans Israel. So during your birthday month you will get 20% discount. So I redeem it, and this is my order, loose box, and let's find out what I got inside. This is a birthday present for myself. So I have 3 here, and let's find out. The receipt got stuck inside as well. I don't know why. So this is the receipt. I'm gonna open this one first. Oh, okay, this one is slide on. What size of this? 6 UK, 38 Euro, 5. I hope it is good on me. The size is good because there was no small size. The smaller size like 37, and I hope it is not big. So let's see. I think it's kind of small. I don't know. It's my first time buying slippers from Vans, so I don't know exactly my size. But I think maybe this is good. This is kind of unisex. So it is thick here, and also this is not soft. I have this thing, but not Vans. It's Adidas that I bought in Hong Kong like 5 years ago. So only now I'm gonna try it. How big it is on me. See, it's just exactly. Yeah. With Vans logo here, and also here. So this is very nice. This is the first one, and this one is the classic slip-on, and this is this one, the checkered. Okay, the size of this is 37 Euro, and US women is 7. So let's see. The color is really cute. I was supposed to buy the black checkered, but this is kind of cute, so I chose this one. So here is look like this, closer. Yeah, and this. So let's see. The size is just perfect. Oh, this is so comfy. I think I'm gonna buy the black checkered as well. This is so comfy. I'm just gonna wear it like that. Wow. So let's find out the other one. This is the Knu Skool leather through white. The color is white, and the size is 37. Let's see. Oh, really nice. It's like this. Oh, there's an extra shoelace in pink. So wow, this is awesome. It's very like chunky. The tongue is very chunky like that. Wow. Like there's like embossed foam inside, but I think it's very comfy. I'm glad I bought it. I was skeptical if I'm gonna buy this leather or the other one. So I'm glad that I chose this one. So let's see. Here and the tongue, it has these bands off the wall, and inside there's also the bands, and yeah, the tongue is very chunky. And here, so let's see. I'm gonna check it on my feet. Yeah, the size is just perfect as well. The length, just the tongue. I don't know why they made it like this, but also the shoelace is wider compared to the other Vans sneakers. The shoelace is like wider like that. So I think this is perfect when you are skateboarding. For the skaters, this is perfect because here in this part, like, it's very comfortable. You see how nice it is? Yeah, it's very nice. It's also here. It's also, it won't this part, it won't crease because it's just the size is just perfect on my feet, and also there is no space inside, so I think it won't crease even though it is leather. Wow, this is really cute. I'm gonna show you my feet, how it looks like, the closer look. So this is the Knu Skool leather in white. As you can see, this is how it looks like on feet. Oh, this is really cool. It is chunky, but it's very comfortable. Yeah. Oh, the size is just perfect. You see, here at the back, it looks like this, with the logo here. And the shoelace is also, the length of the shoelace is perfect. Wow, I really love it. And this is the slip-on. This is also so comfy. As you can see, the color is very nice. Here is the back. On the front, and like that, like the walking. Here, oh, it's really, really comfy. You will just like that and then wear it. It's very, yeah, so comfy. Slipper. Yeah, this is also comfy. Oh, I really love it. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy my unboxing today, and I hope you got also an idea on which one to order when you wanna order on Vans. So I'm really happy with my purchase this time, and I think I'm gonna buy another color of this, the black checkered. So I still have because I only bought like the three items, and I have 5 items to redeem my birthday, the 20% for my birthday. So I still have 2 items left to order to redeem the 20%. So I'm gonna think which one I'm gonna buy. And also, of course, this one I also like this latest style of buns, the Knu Skool, and they have also different color, like the one with the pink this logo of buns. There is also like pink and kind of beige color. I think I'm gonna buy that one also. So I'm gonna think. And before I end this video, of course, I want to thank every one of you, especially to all my members who are always supporting my channel, and to all my viewers and subscribers who are watching all my videos. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much, and Happy New Year, everyone. So I guess I will see you again on my next video. I love you all, and kisses. Bye. See ya.